Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. In today's video, we are going to take rationalization of surd. In my previous video, I have taken tutorial on simplification of surd, addition of surd, and subtraction of surd. If you have not watched those videos, you can go and watch them. To rationalize surd is very easy as ABC. Now we have a question before us. We have to rationalize 5 over root 3. To rationalize this is very easy. Let's take a solution without wasting time. So solution. Now to rationalize surd, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of that surd. What is conjugate of a surd? A conjugate of a surd is a similar surd that have different signs between two terms. The conjugate of this surd is this root 3. Root 3 is the conjugate of this surd. If we are to rationalize this question, the sign of this root 3 is what? Positive. So if we are rationalizing, that positive will change to what? Negative. So we have 5 root 3. Now we want to rationalize. Like I said, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the surd. Root 3 is our conjugate. Anywhere you see rationalization of surd, your denominator is always your conjugate. This is the denominator of this question, so it's the conjugate of this surd. And the sign is positive. If we are rationalizing, it will change to what? Negative minus root 3 over minus root 3. 5 times minus 3 minus root 3 is what? Minus 5 root 3 divide by. Now we take this minus root what? 3 square. Since the surd are the same, it will give me 3 square, such that I have minus 5 root 3 over minus 3 square means what? 3 times 3 equal to minus 5 root 3 over minus 3 times 3 is what? 9. Such that I have minus 5 root 3 over minus root 9 will give me what? 3. Now minus cancel minus. We have what? We have 5 root 3 divided by what? 3. That is the answer to this question. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any question, drop it at the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.